The least ingredient you need to make Tobiko pasta are, of course, pasta. Any form of pasta, from spaghetti, fettuccine, linguine, any other type of pasta, that's just fine. In this case, I'm using fettuccine. Tobiko. Finely chopped fresh ginger. Finely chopped fresh chili. If possible, use bird's eye chili. Freshly chopped garlic. Salt. Cracked black pepper. Strip nori. Extra virgin olive oil. Double cream or heavy cream. Fresh basil. First, bring the pan into medium heat. Then add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then add chopped garlic. Ginger. And stir well until the garlic and the ginger just soft. Probably take about 15 seconds, and after that turn the heat off. Next, add the chopped chili and stir well as well. Next job is to add chili, garlic and ginger into the heavy cream or double cream. Season well with salt and pepper. Have to be a little bit generous in there. And then give them a good stir. Lastly, add the tobiko. If you can get tobiko, MENTAIKO will do, or salmon roe will do. And then give them a good stir. Here we are, the Tobiko sauce done. Bring water to the boil and add a decent amount of salt. So make sure your pasta water tastes slightly salty, almost like a seawater. Next, we just dip in the pasta. Just drop the pasta into the boiling water. If you're using dry pasta, you need approximately 7.5 to 8 minute cooking time. But if you're using fresh pasta, then you need approximately 3 minutes. So here we are. Pasta in. Just let it slide and cook. Make sure you stir occasionally the pasta to prevent them sticking together. Okay, it's 7.5 minutes done, so turn the fire off. The pasta will be cooking for another half minute or 30 seconds, and now we need to take the pasta out and straight away to the sauce. Here we are. And mix the pasta well with the sauce, like so. If you have a chopstick, use chopstick, otherwise tongue will do. And then cook the pasta probably about 15 seconds into the pan with a high heat. Probably about 10 seconds maximum. Then add chopped basil. Stir well. And it's ready to serve. Get your pasta bowl ready and serve the pasta immediately. And then garnish with nori. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, Tobiko pasta done. And thank you for watching.